Hey, it's Sam with Toronto Platinum Realty. Are you a first-time investor or are you a seasoned investor with few properties or more? Regardless, this free webinar with Toronto Platinum Realty is a must-watch if you're looking to grow your investment portfolio this year. So this webinar is going to be jam-packed with creative strategies to reach you, help your goals, and grow your investment portfolio. So here's what to expect in this free webinar. Number one, we're going to talk about who we are. Before we got into real estate, we were actually investors ourselves, and our business is investor focused, and we've helped hundreds of investors over the years build and grow their investment portfolio. Number two, we're going to talk about the power of leverage. Okay, and we're going to show you how to take advantage of it growing your investment portfolio. So number three, we're going to show you how you can unlock the equity in your home and refinance your properties to reinvest it into real estate and build generational wealth. And then we're going to show you how you can compound and multiply using this strategy over and over and over again. And number five, we're going to talk about all the tax incentives and deductibles and benefits. Number six, we're going to take a deep dive into the real estate market and give you a helicopter view of what's happening in the real estate market today. Number seven, we're going to talk to you about what is driving the prices higher. What will create more demand in this already crazy real estate market. Number eight, we're going to introduce one of our VIP platinum investment opportunities to you so you can take advantage right away, and then we'll open it up for Q&A. So if you have any questions, we're going to answer it for you right there on the spot. If you like what you hear and you want to join this free webinar, click the link somewhere on this page and we'll see you there. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.